So, baby, you're not just gonna eat today.
Why?
We're gonna play a game while eating. It's a question and answer thing. I will ask you a question. If you got it correct, then you will eat.
What if I got it wrong?
Then you won't eat. You ask me also. Then
It's clear you don't want me to eat.
see the kind of questions. Just a simple like.
Which questions?
Those questions like what is colonization? What is
What is-
photosynthesis?
Yeah.
Like simple questions like that, baby.
I
Come
can't.
on.
It's clear you don't want me to eat. It's
Baby,
fine.
baby, you need to know all those things. What about our kids? Who's gonna teach them homework? You are the father.
Aye, baby, no.
Come on.
No, you're going to eat alone.
I'm not gonna eat alone.
You're going to eat alone because
We
I
will
don't know.
eat.
Like, what is photosynthesis? What is...
So you're not gonna eat
colon-
today.
colon
You need to
whatever.
learn about that. You need to learn about that.
Like,
Who's
I
gonna
don't know.
teach kids homework? Who?
I know.
Yeah. So.
No, you need to change the kind of questions. Maybe we can play.
Which questions?
We can play maybe names of people, names of countries,
Oh.
names of presidents. At least, you mean
Okay.
ask me what is photo?
Okay.
Photo, what
President of Uganda.
It's clear you don't want me to eat. It's fine. You don't want me to eat. It's okay.
Okay.
I understand you.
When
Baby,
you are ready,
please wait. Let's agree on one thing. Let's agree one thing. Don't
Which
rush.
one thing?
I mean, we must change like the kind of the questions.
Okay.
I left school 5-6 years ago. I can't answer those kind of questions.
Okay. Names of trees.
Names of trees.
Yes.
Asking me. Okay.
The tree that starts
Let
with
me.
M.
Mango tree. So I know. We can go for that. Or maybe names of countries.
Okay.
Let's do names of countries.
Okay, fine.
So yeah, names of countries. No, we still need to. I need to ask you first.
Okay.